About a month ago, my friend Krish told me he was going to host a hackathon to see how people could push the limits of robotics with just a cheap 3D printed robot arm. So I ended up flying out to New York, saw some epic projects and builders, and ended up leaving more inspired than I have been in a really long time.
Really cool people working on probably one of the hardest problems in robotics. This is our robot Maurice.
I think the path to being good at robotics as a society is having more people that think it's easy.
We got a bunch of 3D printers right here. Look at that. Whoa. Robot like t-shirt folding. Chess playing robot.
We're tired.
This is a really cool project.
Yeah. And people think that they can't make those similar things where they interact with atoms.
The hollow arm is busted.
You end up with moments like this where things break.
I think it's not the case.
Last time we left, I think it was working. Today everything's working. What? It began 2 hours ago? Yeah. And it began just now as well.
I think to make people think it is the case is you do something silly with robots first.
I'm reviewing trying to use the system. He's been really stressed out lately and his mental health is attacking.
Are you guys vlogging?
The best part was that no one made me feel any less than them for not doing the incredible things that they were doing. They actually made me feel like I could do it too.
Try hackathon.